You're gonna love the 2023 Hyundai Elantra. Start your day in smart style in this feature-packed Elantra. You'll love its ergonomic controls, standard rear-view camera, refined ride, modern looks, and confidence-inspiring safety features. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, lane keeping assist, electronic stability control, alarm, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, traction control, daytime running lights, power windows. Feel the good energy that permeates this innovative Elantra. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.